A winning product in dropshipping refers to an item that is highly profitable in demand and relatively easy to sell. Do you want to skyrocket your dropshipping success? Discover the best winning products for 2024 that are making waves in the market right now. Leverage trends. Use tools like Google Trends, social media insights, and product research platforms to identify trending products. Analysis competitors. Research what products are being successfully sold by top dropshipping stores. Check marketplaces. Platforms like Amazon, eBay, and AliExpress can reveal popular and high-demand products. Evaluate profit margins. Look for products with high markups and low competition to maximize profits. Test before scaling. Start with a small test run to gauge demand before scaling up your efforts. If this is your first time of you coming to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks for watching.